small dent in your car is not only annoying, but it looks ugly too. The good news is you can fix it yourself. Here's what you'll need: a garage tough dent removal kit, glasses, some tape or a marker, wax and grease remover, a cloth and some gloves. Firstly, clean the dent area several times to remove all traces of wax or polish. From your kit, select the tab cap that's the right size for the dent. Ensure the dent puller can be located around the dent before starting the repair. Use the tape or a non-permanent marker and trace a circle around the planned location of the pulling tab. Insert a glue stick into the glue gun and turn it on. Allow to heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply glue to the tab. Put the tab on the dent and hold. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Here's a tip: do not put too much pressure on the pulling tab. Wait several minutes for the heated glue to dry and become solid. Attach the tab to the puller tool and squeeze it gently. This should remove the dent. Glue may be left on the panel of the vehicle after the pulling tab is removed. Use the scraper to remove the glue. Polish the car. There you go. What a difference. And now, you've done it right.
Autobarn.
Top gear, low prices.